Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enter a redeem code on the Warframe game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in warframe.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Warframe website. Click on the login button at the top right corner if you haven't logged in already. And once you have logged in using your email address and your password, you will be taken back into the home page. Now, if you wish to add a redeem code, just hover over to your account icon at the top right corner and now you will see the redeem code option. Go ahead and click on it and you will now be allowed to enter your promo or your redeem code. Just type in the code within the promo code box and then click on the submit code button. Once your code has been submitted and verified, you will get the reward within your game. And after this, just open up the game and you will notice that your reward has been granted onto your account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to redeem a game code on the Warframe game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.